4 points.
Fourth game.
Pasay, scoring of the delay. Ayun, ito ko na out to point. Wala. Bilang! Bilang! Paling yung mas di pala, parang bang! Jacob Pogi! Pasay pero wala. Wala.
Grabe yan!
Tuklaw! Tuklaw! Pinasa kay Gilan, pinasa ng 25, boarding yan. Raya! Ayan na, dalawa pa kayong sumama. Hindi kaya. Good? Ang bilis talaga. Pinasa kay Josh. Kasi natin ko na kaya. 1 minute na. Bilang pasal number 25. Ready? Importante manalo kung gusto mo na maglaro. Ryan. 2 points kay Jacob. Back to Dylan. Into basket. Kaya. 2 points. Into basket by Sonny. No good. Ito pa rin. Into basket. 3 points. 2 points. Hey. Pare. Bang! 3 points. No good. Rebound yun lang. 35 seconds yun. 15 seconds. Oh! Remaining. 2 points by Dylan. 6 seconds. 2 points. 3 seconds. LeBron, 2 points. 3 points. Mr. Bonabas. Joaquin, Bates, pull up, 2 points, Joaquin. And to shoot. No good, rebound by Jeff. Mazia, 2 points.
Hindi, pinapasok na ng ulit. Pinalabas na ng ulit.
2 points.
Ulit lang yung
And to shoot. And pass, 2 points. No good, rebound by Cruz. LeBron, into basket. Grabe yun, 2 points. Right shot, 2 points. Into basket by number 23. No good, rebound by Rona. Rona, through. LeBron, 3 points. Elliot, power move, 2 points. LeBron, 2 points. 45. 5 seconds. 2 points by LeBron. 3. 14. 3 points by Brazil.
Di ba buhay mo?
2 points by Joaquin. 3 points by Joaquin. Back to LeBron, into basket by LeBron. 2 points. No threes, no good, no good. Rebound by Ronald to Jeff. Into basket by Jeff. Grabe, into basket by Jeff. Jeff, 2 points. Back, no good, pasok na lang ang Emily. Grabe, Wala na guys, 1 minute and 10 seconds. 2 points. 20 remaining. Mariota ay sugad. 2 points. Ay sugad. 10 to 2. 2 points. Nandito natin, Kelly Derosio. Boy. Ayan, bibigyan na kami. Boy. Diba, kinakawal yung iba, pinangat. Boy. Ayan. Ito po. Kahit kung ano na sigurado yung kamay ko. Hindi mo muna kayo yan. Hindi mo muna yun. Boys, 30 seconds. Boys, 25. 20 seconds, all 19. Boys,
Yung tani-tani.
another 25. Boys,
Kasi nagulat to.
pinatawag sa dalawang player. Boys, Iitsa na naman, hindi. Bang? Wow. Wow. Boy. Here. Wow. Finish that. You play the ball. Boy. Tiko by 3. Bang. 31-35. Importante guys, manalo tayo. Kulang? 2 points. 2 points. 40.
Sakto!
Times to go, 35. 25. 2 points. 2 points. Ayan ang salit pa ito lang sino ka ate boys by salit. Over. Power. Basket by power. Boys.
3:35.
Beda beda salit. Oh, nakakaw na naman. Boys, sorry.
Ah, TV mo ba yun?
Boys. 450 seconds. Boys, 15. Wala. Kung wala ko sila sa aking gilang-gilang pasa kay Jacob Poging Boys by Jacob.
Wala ba?
1 minute remaining. The boys by the ball. Boys by the
Nine!
Go boys. Go for 17. The boys. Pinaltog! 41 and 3. 5 seconds. It was road to board. 2 seconds. 13 seconds. 20. Grabe ka. Medyo malakas.
Uy!
Maski. Good boy. 5 to shoot. Points by Maski. Nakakagaw niyo pa rin. Over. 2 points. Over. 2 points by Jeff. Easy basket by Jeff. Gagawin. Pass to Lazir. Mag-isa lang. Easy basket by Lazir. Jeff. Jeff ko na. Good boy. Grabe na.
Gago, namin to.
Top up. 15 to shoot. Jeff. Good boys. Power good. Shoot! Wala lang sa editing. Jeff. Uy, sipas! Five to shoot. Two points by one. Yeah, pagkakaya. Pressure pa ito. 5 minutes. Good boy. Tuto. It's a basket by Tuto.
Naka-jersey kayo?
2 points by Blackson.
Lahat,
2 points by Tuto. 2 points from the bar. No good. 2 points. 30 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. No good. Rebound by number 10. Tapping ulit. Wala. Kaya, nagawin tira sa court. Shot to boy. To boy.
Ay, yun eh. Ito ba, coach? Ito pinino?
Last 5 minutes.
Ano ko si Baka kalapit?
Basta sa basement.
Pero kailangan tapos.
Hey, 2 points. So, number 1 na lang. 2 points.
May bad connection. Connection doon.
Oy! 2 points.